let me back up a little bit. So I said 1% of the market is in the market to change out their air conditioner. And you make that decision once or twice in your life. You have very little muscle memory for this decision. So when it has to be changed out, especially here in Phoenix, like it's a decision you have to make quickly and under a lot of pressure. So if you want to have 4 or 5 companies come out, like that's exhausting, right? And not all the companies are, it's impossible to do apples to apples, and the whole industry will tell you why that you shouldn't do apples to apples. But as a consumer, you have to do apples to apples. You just have to know what you're comparing to.